Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Ghost Rider Bike in Indian Bike Driving 3D. Open the game, go to the Garage menu, and confirm you are on the main profile. Focus on daily missions and story challenges that list vehicle rewards. Track your coin balance and parts collection so you know when purchase conditions are met. I will guide you through the steps clearly and calmly so you can unlock the bike efficiently. Begin by finishing the tutorial and initial story races until the garage unlocks and you can view special vehicles. Prioritize missions that drop parts for the Ghost Rider and replay races that award parts or extra coins. Use safe upgrades that boost handling and speed so you finish higher and earn better rewards. Keep an eye on timed events, which often shorten the path to unlocking that special bike. Use strategic farming by replaying easier levels to collect coins and parts with minimal risk of failure. Invest in control and stability first so you finish consistently in the top positions and get better rewards. Save occasional boosters for boss or time trial races that give parts or special tokens. Monitor events and store offers that can reduce the cost or accelerate the unlock path if you want faster progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.